When it comes to MPVs in China, Buick is always the first that comes to mind, It has been 26 years, basically. That is 26 years of Buick MPVs. Back in the gas car days, if you wanted an MPV, the GL8 was always top of the list. But now, we're in the new energy era. The MPV market is tough on all sides. So what's Buick's move? Here comes the Buick Century. Even little kids can reach the lower handle to hop in. As for Zijing, it showed up at the Shanghai Auto Show. Buick launched a premium lineup. You get a feeling just hearing the name Sega. There's enough room for 4 generations under one roof. The whole Zijing lineup features a water-inspired design. It looks soft and sleek with a cool tech vibe, but it still feels really accepting. The headlights and taillights look super refined too. But honestly, their lights really give off a tech vibe. For example, the low beam shows how wide the light goes. They reach about 60 meters wide and light up nearly 240 meters ahead. That is as big as 2 football fields put together. And the taillights are really easy to see as well. That is because it uses super red LEDs. Also, at the front of the car, got its inspiration from the front end of a private jet. I don't have it. Does it look like it from the side? The flat sides really remind me of an airplane wing. Buick says this car has a villa-level flagship design. Hear villa, and you instantly picture it. First off, it is huge. This car is nearly 5.3 meters in length, and the wheelbase is 3.16 meters. Pretty spacious, right? Let me show you something cool from here.
The car spots my gesture and shuts the door for me. The sliding door is closing at this moment. Never mind.
You can't use gesture control outside the car, but you can inside. Buying this car means VIP perks. Someone opens the door for you. Just wave your hand to close the door. The seats are the first thing you notice in this car. At first glance, you can tell it is super soft and fluffy. It is like what you'd see in a Rolls-Royce. It uses a floating cushion layer. Just press your hand on it. It feels so soft and fluffy. But once you sit down, the first thing you notice is how soft it feels. But then you realize it slowly. It gently cradles you from your thighs to your back. It fits you better. That means even for long trips, you'll be super comfy. And with this car, every row from front to back has floating seats. All seats are wrapped in smooth, soft nap leather. It is as soft as punching into cotton. So satisfying! This is the most important spot in the car. I am just sitting here. Zero gravity, no doubt. It is on both sides, really. It has zero gravity. Zero gravity. Adjust for the front row, like how people sit in the back. Then make a few tweaks without messing up anyone's spot. Feels like zero gravity. You are comfy. No bother to others. If no one's in the front seat, I can switch on the cloud lounge seat. Recline the passenger seat. All the way down, then a tall guy, say 1.78 meters, can stretch out here. Feels awesome, right? Look down here for a moment. See, there's no carpet here. This is a pure wool carpet, 15 millimeters thick. It feels super comfy when you walk on it. I just want to take off my shoes, then run around barefoot. Okay. Down with the sofa and the carpet. How about the fridge and television? This isn't the place. There's no fridge. Switch in the back. The fridge is actually built into the center armrest. It can cool from -10 up to 50 degrees Celsius. Plus heating. Now, say hello, Buick. Say it's from the back seat. Turn on the rear overhead screen. Everything feels smooth and the response is quick. The UI looks spot on and displays really well. I just wish it was a bit wider. If you only look at the fridge, television, and big comfy seats, that makes it sound way too easy. See this light above me? I'll get you one too. Light up your third space, whether it's your study or living room. Give it a shot. In your bedroom. Feels awesome, doesn't it? Plus, the Century's cabin is known as the 5 horizontal cockpit. So, what's the 5 horizontal thing? Always cozy, always fresh, always pure, always clean, always calm. It's got that cozy villa vibe. Honestly, I should have moved to the front by now. But with all these comforts, Who wants to work? Still, we have to get to work. Up front, you first notice the materials anywhere in front, where your legs can reach. The door panels are fully covered in soft touch material. It's got super thick, comfy padding, plus all the materials fight bacteria. Made with safe stuff, kids can bite without worry. A sleek 10.25-inch digital dash, a large 16.3-inch center touchscreen, plus a screen for the passenger. It is all one seamless piece, but every part still has its own border. It's just not that smooth. Honestly, it's got a Snapdragon 8775 chip inside. You don't see that too often, do you? Check out how smooth and well the UI renders. Plus, it replies super fast every single time. Plus, the reading lights are easy on your eyes. Do car screens really help your eyes or not? They all use low blue light. Actually, you can look for ages and your eyes stay comfortable. Life sure is sweet for the rich. Huh? Lastly, let's talk about the power. This car is still built on the Xiaoyao platform. And about its power system, it runs on the Zhenlong plug-in hybrid Pro system. Zhenlong sounds like a name only Chinese people would pick. A 200 kilowatts motor sits up front. A 130 kilowatts motor is in back. Plus, it has a gas engine too. Its electric range meets HLTC standards. It is just over 220 kilometers. It can go more than 1,003 kilometers on a full charge. That chassis texture, magic cockpit with active road, scanning, air suspension. Needless to say, we'll have to wait for the test drive to know more. After seeing this car, I only feel one thing. I just want to stay here. If you love it, just say so. The Pan Asia team really gets what Chinese people want.
Oh, and there is another bonus. If you order between the 21st of November and the 4th of December, pay 5,000 yuan, get 10,000 yuan value.